Hello friends, today I am going to talk about the electricity tariff. How that electricity tariff is determined by respected honorable regulatory commission of that particular state. Basically that is decided based on the reasonable cost determined by the regulatory commission and after prudence check in respect of the following components, and I have given that all components in the table. If you look at the table, the power purchase cost is a major component that comprises of 80%. Then comes your operation and maintenance expenses, that is 9 to 10%. It is very important to mention here that when I say on-them charges, operation and maintenance expenses, it again has three different parts, that is employee expenses, A&G charges, administration and general expenses, repair and maintenance expenses. Then comes depreciation that contribute 3 to 4% in the tariff determination. Then comes return on the capital employed, the whatever investment is made by respective that distribution company, that is given in return, the return given in lieu of that investment is called ROC, that is 6 to 7%. Then comes the income tax, that is 0.5 to 1%. Let's say the total cost comes after that all these components is X, and if you assume that the total unit that will be sold in that year to come is that, if you divide that cost divided by the total unit you are going to sell, is the average tariff per unit in kilowatt hour in unit of that particular distribution company. It is again very important to mention here that the regulatory commission of respective state determines the tariff for various consumer categories based on its tariff regulations and guideline contained in the Electricity Act 2003 and the Tariff Policy 2006 respectively. Again, it is quite important to mention here that the Regulatory Commission of respective state undertakes extensive public consultation with all the stakeholders including customers before finalizing the tariff. The figure depicted, the figure mentioned in the table above is basically an approximate figure that may vary state to state, and I am repeating that may vary state to state, depends on their requirement and the condition of that state, but this is a general figure for understanding purpose only. And I would like to emphasize on one another word, that is called depreciation, because most of the people won't understand that depreciation. The depreciation basically term refers to an accounting method used to allocate the cost of tangible oblique physical assets over its useful life or life expectancy. In other words, it is nothing, it gives a figure how much of an asset's value have already been used over a period of time. To understand that thing, you can take very good examples. For example, any distribution company purchase one transformer for 100 rupees, and let's say if we assume the expected life is 10 years, there will be depreciation of rupees 10 every year over a period of 10 years. That is a depreciation value. I hope I could give reply to how tariff is determined in India. Thank you everyone for your support always. Thank you, sir.